KCI make hydraulic reversible plough is specially designed for variety of uses in agriculture for medium, hard and black cotton soil. It is a simple and reliable machine. Also versatile and compact. A quick description about KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more specifications and details please log on to www.kovaiclassicindustries.com.